Welcome to CUET Polity episode. Today we will discuss about Chipko movement story. Summer vacation is usually about visiting our villages, right? The fresh air, scenic beauty and organic food are what make it so special. The smoky flavor of the food cooked on a firewood stove is something that all of us cherish. But what if you don't have access to wood for that? You might wonder how it is even possible when you have so many trees in your village. Let me tell you a story. Let us move back in time for a while. It's about the 1970s when people used to cook on firewood stoves. They used to collect grass, medicinal herbs, and wood from the forest for several purposes. However, the Forest Department of Uttarakhand restricted them from cutting down the trees. But what ignited the spark was the permission given to a sports manufacturer to utilize it for commercial use. The people belonging to the Chamoli district of Uttarakhand found this decision unfair. When they saw the company's woodcutters coming towards the forest, they hugged the trees. This happened in 1973. Since they were hugging the trees, it is known as the Chipko movement. This movement quickly spread throughout the Uttarakhand region. They knew that if the companies started extracting wood from trees, they would do it at a large scale compared to the needs of the villagers. This would result in ecological exploitation. So the villagers demanded forest rights from the government and did not want the outsiders to have them. They asked the government to ensure regional development without harming the ecological balance. Earlier in 1970, the massive Alaknanda flood shook the lives of the people in Uttarakhand. As a result, this movement brought light to the landless forest workers and their financial issues. They demanded guaranteed minimum wages from the government. A result of this non-violent movement was the slowing down of deforestation and more awareness about environmental balance. It's been 51 years since this incident, and the natives of Uttarakhand still celebrate the anniversary of the Chipko movement. Now, here is a quick question for you. Who of the following is or was one of the leaders of the Chipko movement? Kinkiri Devi, Tulsi Goda, Chandi Prasad Bhatt, or Swami Prem Parivartan? Send the answer to this question in the comments and do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more informative content.